Hello, lovely ladies. Have you ever worn an outfit that looked beautiful on the hanger, but the moment you wore it, you felt heavier, shorter, or less confident, and then you wondered quietly, is my body changing? Or is something wrong with my clothes? Because here's the truth. Elegant women eventually discover most women don't know this. Looking slimmer has very little to do with body size and almost everything to do with visual balance. Stylists once asked why Sophia Loren always appeared graceful and sculpted on screen, even in simple dresses. Her answer was powerful. Nothing makes a woman more beautiful than confidence and good tailoring. Here's the surprising part. After 40, elegance replaces dieting as the real secret to looking slimmer. My name is Sophia, and today in this video I'm sharing 7 clothing tricks that instantly make women over 40 look slimmer, without hiding your body and without buying an entirely new wardrobe. And if you love timeless elegance, subscribe to my channel Sophia's Elegance for weekly style transformation. The problem. Many women believe aging means losing their ideal silhouette. You may notice waistlines changing, posture softening, clothes fitting differently. So naturally, many women begin hiding behind oversized outfits. But here's the reality. Most women don't know this. Shapeless clothing actually makes the body appear larger. Look at Helen Mirren. She never hides her figure. Instead, she uses structure, proportion, and elegance. And the result? Confidence, not concealment. Here's the surprising part. Slim appearance is created by illusion, not restriction. The biggest mistake. Let's talk honestly. The biggest mistake after 40 is dressing to disappear. Baggy tops, heavy fabrics, too many layers. Fashion icon Coco Chanel believed elegance should reveal form gently, never erase it. This next tip changes everything. Clothing should guide the eye smoothly from head to toe. Most women don't know this. Slimming style is about visual flow. Now let me show you the elegant solutions. The 7 slimming clothing tricks. Trick 1. Define the waist softly, not tight. Not hidden, defined. Princess Kate Middleton often wears dresses with subtle waist shaping. The eye naturally recognizes proportion. Here's the surprising part. Even slight waist definition instantly creates a slimmer silhouette. Add belts, tailored seams, and wrap dresses. Trick 2. Wear vertical lines. This next tip changes everything. Vertical movement elongates the body visually. Think long blazers, open cardigans, vertical seams. Designer Carolina Herrera mastered vertical elegance through long, clean lines. Most women don't know this. The eye travels vertically, creating an instant slimming illusion. You appear taller, lighter, more refined. Trick 3. Choose structured fabrics. Soft doesn't mean shapeless. Italian icon Bellucci frequently chooses fabrics that gently hold structure. Why? Because structure smooths the body. Here's the surprising part. Very thin fabric clings. Very thick fabric adds bulk. Balanced fabric creates elegance. Trick 4. The power of monochrome dressing. Most women don't know this. One color from top to bottom visually lengthens the body. Even Victoria Beckham is famous for monochrome styling. The result? Instant sophistication and slimming effect. This next tip changes everything. Matching tones remove visual breaks, and fewer breaks mean a longer silhouette. Trick 5. Upgrade sleeve length. Here's something rarely discussed. Sleeves dramatically affect body perception. 3/4 sleeves slim arms instantly. Most women don't know this. Showing the narrowest part of the arm creates elegance automatically. Small adjustment, big transformation. Trick 6. Choose the right pants rise. Low-rise trousers shorten the torso. Ultra-high-rise feels uncomfortable. The elegant balance? Mid to high-rise trousers. Style icon Jackie Kennedy Onassis used perfectly balanced waistlines to maintain long proportions. Here's the surprising part. Proper rise reshapes the body visually without changing weight. Trick 7. Elegant shoes. Change everything. This next tip changes everything. Shoes finish the silhouette. Pointed flats, nude tones, or sleek heels extend the leg line. Even casual outfits look slimmer instantly. Most women don't know this. The eye always completes the outfit at the feet. Elegant shoes create graceful movement, and graceful movement equals confidence. Confidence. Transformation. Now imagine yourself tomorrow. Same body, same wardrobe, but different choices. Defined waist, vertical lines, balanced fabrics, intentional colors. You don't feel hidden anymore. You feel refined, you feel lighter, you feel confident. Here's the surprising part. Slim elegance isn't about becoming smaller, it's about becoming harmonious. And harmony always looks youthful. Lovely ladies, your body does not need correction. It deserves intelligent styling. Because elegance after 40 is not about perfection, it is about presence. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sophia's Elegance, and tell me which clothing trick you will try first. Until next time, stay elegant, stay radiant, and keep watching my channel for your weekly dose of timeless fashion inspiration.